Now let's start. Which of the following is nitrification inhibitor? The answer is N-Serve. Optimum pH for nitrification, it is 8.5. Clay soil must carry at least 35% clay. Which of the following is highly mobile in soil? Nitrate. Nitrate is highly mobile in soil. Unit of hydraulic conductivity is centimeter per second. Land capability classes are, there are 8 land capability classes. Which of the industrial effluent having highest electrical conductivity? It is a sugar mill. First manufactured fertilizer in India is SSP, single super phosphate. Bodex mixture is, it is the mixture of copper sulfate plus calcium hydroxide. Juming is related to, Juming is related to shifting cultivation and podo cultivation, both A and B. The following rocks are formed with involvement of pressure and heat. It is metamorphic rock which is formed due to the involvement of excess of pressure and heat. Molybdenum required for plant because it is cofactor for nitrate reductase. High value of RSC, that is residual sodium carbonate, in irrigation water results in precipitation of calcium and magnesium. Bray method for phosphorus determination effective in acid soil, and for alkaline and neutral soil, Olsen method is used for phosphorus determination. Most desirable soil structure for agricultural purpose is crumby. If crumby is not in the option, then you will go with spheroidal type of structure. At saturation, soil water is 0. When clay particles are hydrated, some energy will release, which is called heat of wetting. There are two similar terms, that is heat of wetting and heat of solution. In case of clay particle, when clay particle get hydrated, it is called heat of wetting, and if ions are hydrated, then it is called heat of solution. Which of the following atom is heaviest atom? Uranium. In soil micronutrient, extraction of pH of 0.005 molar DTPA adjusted to pH 7.3. Maximum size limit of clay fraction is 0.002 mm. Acid sulfate soil, also known as cat clay. Cat clay term was given by Dutch. Study of soil from standpoint of higher plants known as edaphology, and if it will discuss about the origin of soil, then it is called pedology. The following organism contribute highest biomass in soil, that is fungi. If it will ask which organism is numerous in number, then it will be the bacteria, but it is asking that highest biomass, then the answer will be fungi. International Year of Soil, it is 2015. International Year of Pulses, 2016. The following phosphorus fertilizer well suitable for calcareous soil are SSP, single super phosphate. Soil water potential is generally negative. Potential which is developed due to presence of solutes in solution is osmotic potential. A colloidal suspension of particles dispersed in air called aerosol. Gilgai micro relief found in which order? It is vertisol. It is very important question which is asked so many times. Allophane minerals present in following order: andisol. Volcanic ash order is andisol. Inherent capacity of soil to supply plant nutrient for adequate amount and in suitable proportion, it is called soil fertility. High osmotic potential found in following soil, it is saline soil. Maximum air pollution found in troposphere. Yoder's apparatus used for the purpose of soil aggregate analysis. Natural aggregate called PEDs. Manifestation of a physical force like cohesion and adhesion at various moisture constant within the soil is called soil consistency. Half-life period of P32 is 14.3 days. Targeted yield approach was given by Ramamurthy. Critical soil test approach was given by Cat and Nelson. In which of the following density of soil we exclude pore space? It is particle density. Highest global warming potential related to CFC. It has the potential of 1000 and the potential of CO2 is 1. Biochar related to carbon sequestration. Q by I in quantity and intensity factor given by Beckett. In case of potassium, Q by I was given by Beckett, and in case of phosphorus it was given by Schofield. Particle density is measured by picnometer. DRIS, which stands for Diagnosis and Recommendation Integrated System, given by Beufels. Impurities present in phosphorus fertilizer is cadmium and fluorine. Mull soils formed under which of the following climatic condition? It is warm, humid. Coniferyl alcohol, aromatic alcohol related to lignin. The directional growth of plant in response to sunlight is called heliotrophism. Chief constituent of chlorophyll is magnesium. Maximum photosynthesis occurs at visible range, that is 400 to 700 nanometer. Burette contained in urea according to FCO fertilizer control order should be less than 1.5% for basal application and less than 0.5% for foliar application. On weight basis, CEC highest for CEC stand for cation exchange capacity, and on weight basis cation exchange capacity is highest for humus. Total number of classes in textural triangle is 12. DTPA means diethylene triamine pentaacetic acid. Calcium and magnesium determined by titration with EDTA. White bud of maize caused due to deficiency of zinc. Unit of CEC is centimole proton per kg. Study of earth crust is called geology. Enrichment of soil water bodies with nutrient is called eutrophication. In Munsell color chart, hue denotes the dominant color spectra, and two other factors are value and chroma. Value denotes the lightness and brightness, lightness and darkness, and chroma denotes the purity of color. Available water exists between -1/3 bar to -15 bar. Non-metal present in earth crust are oxygen, silicon, both A and B. Denitrification process occurs under anaerobic condition. Correct order of thermal conductivity of soil is first of all sandy, then loamy, then clay, and after that peat, which show the least thermal conductivity. The following bacteria involving the symbiosis relationship legume plants is Rhizobium. In land capability classification, arable land comes under following classes 1 to 4, and from 5 to 8 it is non-arable land classification. Permanent charge develop on clay mineral mainly due to isomorphous substitution. Normality of H2SO4 is 36. Widely used dispersing agent in the mechanical analysis is sodium hexametaphosphate. Leaf water potential can be determined by thermocouple cyclometer. Neutralizing value of calcium carbonate is 100. Advanced weathering found in following order. It is oxysol. Molasses is byproduct of sugar industry. Following mineral having highest cation exchange capacity, it is vermiculite. Washing out, B horizon is related to eluviation. Actually, it is A2 horizon. Laterization is the process of accumulation of iron and aluminum oxide. Example of sedimentary rock is shale. Available potassium determination done by which of the following method? It is neutral normal ammonium acetate method. Khera disease in rice can be controlled by zinc sulfate because Khera disease is caused by the deficiency of zinc, generally in rice. The following gas which is present higher amount in biogas is CH4, that is methane. Mycorrhiza help in increasing availability of following element. It is phosphorus. pH of normal rain is slightly acidic. It is about 5.6 pH. Which of the following mineral is more resistant to weathering? That is quartz. The following organism play a key role in phosphorus solubility is bacillus. The capability of soil to resist change in the pH is buffering capacity. Apatite mineral contain mainly following element. It is the phosphorus. Metamorphic rock is marble. Under acidic condition, phosphorus can be fixed as iron and aluminum phosphate. If the parent material is transported by wind, which is called aeolian. The rate at which atmospheric pressure decreases with an increase in altitude is known as lapse rate. White alkali soils are saline soils, and alkali soil is called black alkali soil. The difference between upper plastic limit and lower plastic limit is known as plasticity index, which is also called as plasticity number. Arrangement of soil particles is known as soil structure. The following mineral which is highly resistant to decomposition is lignin. Double S, that is atomic absorption spectroscopy, used for the analysis of heavy metals. The following mineral which is used for cement manufacture is basic slag. Iron deficiency found in following soil, that is calcareous soil. Thank you so much.